I'm Debbie Maddy. I'm with Shibori Designs, and I have a new book coming out with C&T Publishing. The book is all about Shibori and indigo, and the name of it is Discover Shibori. And you will discover everything about working with indigo and doing all different kinds of Shibori. The little snippet I'm going to show you today is a fold and clamp technique, and what you're going to see is the reveal that happens after the fabric has been folded and it's been clamped tightly to resist the indigo dye, and then it is dyed in the indigo. And then you take all the clamps off and you get to see the beautiful designs that come out. So that's what this little video is about. So remember, the new book is called Discover Shibori, and I'm Debbie Maddy again, thanking you for your time.